Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And then, if you are here for the first time, please welcome to my YouTube channel. We have a question before us, and then we are looking at exponential equations. And we have this question before us to look at. In my previous video, I spoke about the laws of indices. So today we're going to look at how to apply those laws to solve this problem we have here. Now, what we need to do, first let's say we have a solution. So the question is 27 to the power of 2x, open bracket, 1 over 9 to the power of x minus 2 equal to 9 raised to power minus x, open bracket, 1 over 3 to the power of 2 minus x. So the first thing is, let's say we have our solution, and then we pull down the question here, 27 to the power of 2x multiplied by 1 over 9 to the power of x minus 2 equal to 9 to the power of minus x, open bracket, 1 over 3 to the power of 2 minus x. Now what we need to do is to look at the bases, and you can see we have 27 as a base here, we have 9, and then we have 3. So what we need to do is to look out and see if there is a base common to all of them. So we can determine that 3 is a common base, and so we're going to write 27 as 3 to the power of 3 all to the power of 2x. And then of course we write 1 over 9 as 1 over 3 to the power of 2, and then we have x minus 2 equal to, then 9 will also give us 3 to the power of 2 all to the power of minus x, and then of course we have 1 over 3 to the power of 1 all to the power of 2 minus x. Okay, so here we are going to combine two laws in solving this and simplifying this question further. We are going to look at the first one, which says that if you have a to the power of m all to the power of n, then this will give us a to the power of m times n, which is the same thing as a to the power of mn. Then also we have the second law, the other law, which says if I have 1 over a to the power of n, is going to give me a to the power of minus n. So we're going to apply these two laws to both sides of the equation. Okay, so we have on the left 3 to the power of, so applying this first law, that's the product of power law, we're going to have 3 multiplied by 2x, that will give us 3 multiplied by 2x, and then we have, applying this law here, this becomes, if we apply the negative index law to 1 over 3 squared, it's going to be 3 to the power of minus 2 all to the power of x minus 2. And then of course we go ahead to do the same thing to the right hand side of the equation. So we have 3 to the power of 2 dot minus x, and then of course we have this to give us 3 to the power of minus 1 all to the power of 2 minus x. And then so we have this on the left will give us 3 to the power of 6x, open bracket, 3 to the power of minus 2, open bracket, x minus 2. Then on the right we have 3 to the power of minus 2x. Then of course we have 3 to the power of minus 1, open bracket, 2 minus x. Okay, so we go on and see how this, so we have 3 to the power of 6x, Then this gives us dot 3 to the power of minus 2x plus 4, because minus 2 multiplied by x will give us minus 2x, then minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 will give us plus. So that is expanding the bracket on the left. So we have 3 to the power of minus 2x, then of course dot 3 to the power of, then expanding this bracket we have minus 2 plus x. So next, there's another law that is very applicable here, and that is the addition law of indices. So if we have a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of n, this will give a to the power of m plus n. So we apply this law to both sides of the equation. So that will give us 3 to the power of 6x plus minus 2x plus 4 equal to 3 to the power of minus 2x plus minus 2 plus x. So we have 3 to the power of 6x minus 2x plus 4 equal to 3 to the power of minus 2x minus 2 plus x. Okay, so simplifying further, we have 3 to the power of 4x plus 4 equal to 3 to the power of minus 2x plus x minus 2. And then, so this will give 3 to the power of 4x plus 4 equal to, then this will give us 3 to the power of minus x minus 2. So if we further apply another law which says if you have a to the power of x equal to a to the power of y, then it means that x will be equal to y. So if the bases on both sides of an exponential equation are equal, then their exponents are equal. And therefore, we can say that this will give us 4x plus 4 equal to minus x minus 2. So let's collect like terms. We're going to have 4x plus x equal to minus 2 minus 4. And this will give us 5x equals minus 6. So if we divide both sides of the equation by 5, and then we have 5x over 5 equal to minus 6 over 5. So the 5 on the left will cancel out each other, and then we have x equal to minus 1.2. So this is our equation. Thank you for dropping by, and then I hope you learned from this. So please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification, and make sure you comment and like my video.